Okay, be honest, your grandma is the hardest person to shop for because she either says, don't buy me anything, or she already has everything. So in this video, I'm going to share 25 gift ideas for grandma that are useful, thoughtful, and not random. I'll also tell you who each gift is for. May it be for your cozy grandma, practical grandma, memory keeper grandma, and hobby grandma. I'll go from budget friendly to wow gifts. And also at the end, I'm going to share to you the top 5 safest picks if you're buying last minute. Okay, so the first category is the cozy grandma. This is a gift that says Lola or Abuela rest. So the first on my list is the wearable blanket hoodie. It's the hug gift, perfect for cold mornings, Netflix nights, and staying warm without turning up the heat. Next is the memory foam slippers. This is a practical gift that feels luxurious. It's a cushy support for home, especially if she's always on her feet. Followed by the heated throw blanket. It's a cozy upgrade for winter and joint aches. Many have auto shut off, so it feels safe and comforting. Next is the lightweight weighted blanket, or it's a throw size. It helps her relax and sleep better. Go for smaller throw so it's not too heavy. Next is the satin pillowcase, a simple beauty sleep gift, and it's gentler on her hair and skin and makes bedtime feel fancy. Number 3 is actually my favorite, and I am planning to buy one. I already have that when I was in the Philippines, but now that I'm in France, I only have the satin cap, but it wasn't really comfortable. So I think I'm gonna upgrade my pillowcase into satin very, very soon. So next is category 2, which is practical or health. You know, this is really nice because these gifts will make their life easier without feeling medical. So first on my list is the heating pad for neck or shoulders or back. So one of the most used grandma gifts ever because this has instant comfort for sore muscles and chilly evenings. Next is the arthritis or compression gloves. Great if your hands get stiff from gardening, cooking, or crocheting. Supportive without being bulky. Next is the foot massager, a spa day at home gift, perfect for tired feet and relaxing before bedtime. Next is the weekly pill organizer. It's easy open, so make her morning simpler. Look for large compartments plus clear labels that are senior friendly. Next is magnifying glass with light. For reading labels, reading needles, or menus, the built-in light is the real game changer. Next is the large print word search puzzle books. Screen-free fun that keeps her mind active, perfect for quiet mornings and coffee. Next is long-handled lotion applicator or back scrubber. Super practical and underrated. Like, it helps her reach her back comfortably on her own. Comment cozy if you think your grandma would love this. Category 3 is sentimental. Now, the sentimental ones, this is where you win. So the first is a grandma memory journal. Tell me your life story. This is a meaningful keepsake. It guides her to share stories you'll treasure forever. Next is a custom photo calendar, a gift she'll see every day. Add family photos, birthdays, and little notes for each month. Next is the Wi-Fi digital photo frame. This is the best gift for grandmas who miss the family. You can send photos instantly from anywhere. If you want something that feels expensive, but isn't always crazy pricey, the Wi-Fi photo frame is the answer. Like, I think this is one of my favorite gift items, and I really think this is something that most grandmas will like. Next is the custom photo blanket. It's cozy, emotional. Imagine her wrapped in a blanket, covered in her favorite people. Next is the birthstone necklace, a classic sentimental gift. Choose stones for each grandchild so it feels personal. What I love about Grandma Fill-In book. Easy but heartfelt. You fill it out, she keeps it forever. This one hits hard. Category 4, Hobbies and Little Luxuries. Now this is for the fun ones. These work even if you don't know her exact size or preferences. So the first one is the herbal tea sampler set. Cozy gift that still feels thoughtful. Great for grandmas who love relaxing drinks or evening tea. Next is the hand cream gift set. Perfect for dry hands, especially in winter or if she washes dishes a lot. Next is the gardening tool set for the plant-loving grandma. Look for ergonomic handles if she has hand stiffness, by the way. Next is the indoor herb garden kit. Fun plus useful. She can grow basil or mint right by the window, even in small apartments. Window bird feeder. Instant entertainment. She can watch birds up close like a little daily nature show. Keepsake recipe book or recipe binder. If she cooks, this is gold. Collect her recipes so they stay in the family. Insulated water bottle with straw. A healthy but cute gift. Straw bottles are easier to use and keep her sipping all day. Okay, so my top 5 picks would be, let's say if you're overwhelmed, here are my top 5 safest gifts. So the first is the cozy slippers. Second is the wearable blanket. Third is the heating pad. Fourth is the memory journal. And 5, which is actually my favorite, my top most favorite, is the digital photo. I think with these things, you can never go wrong. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Teacher Kaye. Have a great day. Bye.